So here we have it, the Kraken Aftermath AK-47. As you can see, it's not a wood gun, not like a expensive replica, but rather a solid shooting, decent looking, powerful, and cheap AK-47. Definitely a good one for, I don't know, starters in the game, I guess. Here we have it. Shoot. Has a very solid feel to it and solid shooting. Now here we actually gonna try it in action. Shoot that nutcase down there. So you're getting that brown box way down there. Zoom in. Has a very solid feel to it and solid shooting. Has a very solid feel to it and solid shooting. Now here we actually gonna try it in action. Shoot that nutcase down there. That brown box way down there.